Welcome, today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right now on the down right corner you can see the more icon. Tap there, go to the settings, tap here on the voice section and just select the voice match section. Now just to turn off your Hey Google option, just tap here on the switcher and confirm with OK. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.